I thought it was like tomorrow. I thought tomorrow was St. Patrick's Day, not today. All the things are down? Yeah. Literally. Oh my. It was so frustrating. But Aether is his name, I think? And this is Lumine. Or Lumine, I guess. On Monday. But yeah. I can't imagine. That's very different. But those are usually the people who are newer to the scene. Newer to the scene for sure. And touch the middle orb inside the fortress, then they win. That is how you win Wintergasp as the attackers. I haven't done my callings yet. I was working on the callings in between BGs. I don't have the official sequel of Amnesia. And I don't plan on buying it until I at least get the fan-made, but original creators approved Amnesia. I need to finish the machine for pigs first before I buy, start duos, like, okay, if I would start streaming on YouTube. A little bit lighter on the PC. So, it's another thing that I wish I had.